Today we're going to start replacement thermostat on this 2012 Chevy Cruze. Alright, so there is the old one, and here's the new one. You want to make sure that the seal is on the old one. It is perfect. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and clean the surface up. Just grab a shop towel, a microfabric, just wipe it down. It is plastic, so you don't want to scratch it. Alright, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and put in our new thermostat. For this one, I did have to loosen up this housing here, so it might be a little tight to get it in, but just go ahead and try to work it in. Oh look, popped right in. Sweet. Alright, next thing we're gonna do is let's go ahead and actually mount this up. Let's put in the 4 screws that it takes, and we also have to tie these down here for this extra housing, these right here. But for now, let's go ahead and put on all 4 screws. Make sure that thermostat is nice and placed. Then we'll secure everything down. Alright, there it is. Everything is into place, and I'm gonna go ahead and start by tying these up next. Alright, once you have this housing here bolted down, there are 4 bolts, 2 on top, 2 at the bottom. Do a star pattern, this one, then the bottom one, then this one, then that one. Now let's go ahead and connect this here back into its place. Set that right there. Let's go ahead and put in that 10mm nut, secure it down. You know what, before we actually put that, let's go ahead and secure this down. That will give us a little bit more room here on this side to tie it. Alright, there it is. All of them secured. The way I did it was here. 2nd, 3rd, then 4th. Now we're ready to put in this little bracket into place here. Just like so, and secure it with these 10mm nut. Just go ahead and tie that down. Alright, there it is. Nice and secured. Now let's go ahead, plug in our pigtails. That one goes up there. This one goes right here. There it is. This one goes right here. Secure that down. This goes latched right here somehow. Something like that. This one goes latched right here. Pinch that down, connect that pigtail here. Let's go ahead and connect that pigtail first. Alright, this just slides into place. There it is. That's connected. That's connected. Let's go ahead and connect our hose back. There it is. Let's go ahead and pinch that and pull it up. Alright, then there it is. Sweet. Now we'll just top her off with coolant. Alright, we have our coolant here. I'm going to just top her off. Alright, there it is, nice and topped off. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to start the vehicle, make sure there's no leaks, and burp the system out. And I'm going to just dry up this excessive coolant. That way we can see if there's anything falling. Dry everything where it previously fell. There it is. And nothing is leaking. We are good. Sweet. Now we'll just let it get the temperature. Keep this up. You can see it burping out all the bubbles out. There it is. That's essentially what we want to do. And that is how you replace a thermostat on a 2012 Chevy Cruze. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.